floor, and then when I had my first ever boyfriend, something that I struggled with for a while, so I was really bad growing up, and it affected my character. Welcome to all my new subscribers, I see you. Guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know it's a girl, MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo! I want to them. Guys, I am so sorry for not uploading as I would want to, because I'm so busy with school and with work right now. But tonight I decided that I'm gonna do a video for you guys because I haven't posted in like a week or so, so I have to give you guys a video. And the topic that I want to talk about tonight is something that is very dear to me. Well, not dear to me, like it's something that I struggled with for a while, so I have a bit of experience with it and the effects of it and what it can cause. So I said that I was gonna like do a little story time about it, and yeah, see how many other people like. Ooh, that glow though, Melica. That glow though. That glow though. Anyways, yeah. See how much other people can really relate to it, because it's something that I struggle with like really bad growing up, and it affected my character, how I interacted with people and stuff like that. Since I'm big, like me really deal with it internally, so I know say I'm good like that. So growing up, I used to have acne really bad, like bump everywhere. If I don't mind the bump them, I grow in my eye the way they all live. Bumps on top of bumps on top of bumps. And this started once I was in primary school, around 5th-6th grade. I started to get really bad acne, and I remember my mother going to the pharmacy like every other month trying to find something new for me to try out, you know, because it affected me so much where I didn't want to go anywhere. You know, you're being bullied about it at school, bumpy face and a little thing there, which is so unscrupulous. But I tried over maybe 100 products and none of them didn't work. I remember when I was in high school, my mother got a soap by the name of Sastin. It was in a pink box. I know the box, I know the description, I know everything. And that soap helped me. That soap helped me. It helped me so till what it did was like it dry up the bump them on my face, make them come dry and turn a scalp, and then they strip off. That was what that soap did to me. But at school, I never have no friend. I never really talky, I did shy bad. And this was like a side effect of having all this acne, like feeling like you're not as beautiful as everybody else, because why you have this stuff here on your skin and stuff like that. And what I used to do, I used to always squeeze them. So I used to have a lot of acne scars, even though I still have some of my scars them. I used to have a lot of acne scars, like really bad scars, because I couldn't stand to see bump them right. Imagine your whole face full of bumps and they're right, so you can't squeeze them. I can't go out with that. So I always used to squeeze them and stuff, till one time I start bleach. When I look at me, I'm white out. When I was rubbing, like this was in high school, when I started to bleach, like it did come on a bit, but when I stopped, my skin got real darker than before, and like the acne came back twice the amount, you know. So over time, I just start go with the flow. And then when I had my first ever boyfriend, he used to tell me, "I come on the road, like you're fine," you know. He used to like say, "Come on, me like the same way," and like I'm not business say I have bumps or whatever, you know. So he may really encourage me to, like, you know, embrace like the acne and stuff like that. So I started to do that. I was still insecure. Having acne give you a lot of insecurity about yourself, like, you know. I don't know, like anybody can relate in terms of having acne growing up. I was born 1992, so even though born in a day time, you're growing up, you know, say bullying, teasing by your friends and family, that's wally, you know. And you don't understand what you go through. Anybody have acne or really go through it like bad? leave a comment below and tell me a story and stuff like that. But let me talk about some of the stuff that I did to really help me with my acne and help me with my self-esteem and my self-confidence to bring me to the person that I am today. So one of the things that I did is I always try to find remedies just the same. The soap, I told you, it worked really well. When that soap, after the soap started work well, it came off the market and I had to find something else. I treated my skin like very seriously. So like every week I would like do facials, steam my face. I have a lot of scrub. Like the scrub that helped me the most, or the cleanser, is the Neutrogena Deep Cream Clean Cleanser. That cleanser cleaned my skin very well, and it helped me with the acne very well. So what I did was I tried to find a solution to the problem. I always try to find a solution to the problem. Make sure I get the facial, then make sure my face clean and I wrap them clean and stuff like that. In terms of my self-confidence, I surround myself with better people, you know. And overall, I used to write a lot about the things that I go through. So I would write down these things and say like, how can I build my self-confidence, you know. Let me start writing and I say like you're beautiful, you are strong, like how is I write this stuff to myself. So still I started to believe it, you know. So I always try to speak positivity into myself, you know. Tell them, say, my girl, you're the, you know, I'm not telling a lie, guys. I feel like I'm glowing. What if I shine, shine? Yeah, so I'm always trying to speak into myself and like know who I am as a person. So what I said to myself, regardless of the acne, who are you? Who are you? You know? What do you stand for? What are the values that you have? What value you can add to people? Who are you inside? You know, that's what I used to stand out, and that's what I used to combat in terms of having self-confidence, because I knew that I was a really good person, and like me good in myself, you know. Me good. Anybody in my circle, you have a good be in a circle. Like I knew that to my core. So after a while, I say, so I'm have acne, then me can't do nothing about them. Can't do nothing about them. I have them. I can't do anything about them. I just have to live with them. Till over time, my face started to clear up. And yeah, I have better self-confidence and not better self-confidence. I'm confident. You know. So the things that I did is try to take care of my skin. I speak into myself, and I realized who I was at my core, and nobody could take that away from me. Nobody could trouble me about that, make me feel away about it. And I just believe in myself 150%. When everybody else tell them foolishness, me never believe them. That's one thing with me. I always have this belief system right above everybody else. Nobody can tell me nothing. So that was really my acne journey. Even though I have breakouts from time to time, monthly and stuff like that, but you know, really affect me now. Growing up, it affected me so much. And in my adult years, I realized that when I used to be shy, I never used to interact with people, that was one of the things that contributed to that. So a lot of us have insecurities, and we don't know what caused them. They are really from, if you're looking at yourself, they come from your childhood, and you really need to look deeply and like deal with them to be a better person, like in your day-to-day thing. You understand? So guys, I just wanted to do this video to share something with you of mine. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and definitely show the love. Leave a comment below, and welcome to all my new subscribers. I see you. Welcome, and thanks for stopping by my channel. You don't know it's a girl, Melica Skylife in the building. I want to them later.